So what is going on, everybody? In today's video we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Zyon, and not just about the shoe but actually how to cop it. And I know I've gotten a lot of requests on doing a video of how to cop Yeezys for retail. But before we get into the content of the video, remember that I do have a sneaker giveaway going on, and I will be giving it away when I hit 3,000 subscribers. So at the end of the video, make sure you go check out the link in the description, and you can get all signed up through there. So basically, the Yeezy Zyon is going to be releasing May 30th, 2020, obviously, for retail of $220, just like every single other Yeezy 350 V2. Now, they've had some Yeezys like the Marsh to where they were only Yeezy Supply exclusive, so they wouldn't have them on the Adidas Raffle or the Adidas app, where you can enter into the raffle. But I'm pretty sure with sources that I found, it is going to be like all sizes and just through all the third-party websites and everything. So it's going to be a pretty wide release. So it's not going to be like as exclusive as the Marsh and all of that little set of sneakers. So the very first thing that I would recommend doing is going ahead and signing up for the Adidas Yeezy raffle, and basically all you have to do is download the Adidas app, sign in, and click on the Yeezy Zyon whenever that pops up. I don't think it's actually there yet. Like, when it comes closer to the day that they're gonna release, you will see the Yeezy on the Adidas app, and you just click it and put in all your information, and basically you can just sit back and relax and wait until the release day. And they will start the drawings around like 10 a.m. yeah, and then it'll go around to 11 to 12 a.m. Sometimes it takes a little longer to actually know if you won the shoe or not, but basically all you have to do, put your information in, and you're good. You just wait, and you can cancel your raffle up until 10 o'clock. I'm pretty sure that's the mark. Yeah, so if you just want to take your risk of getting the sneaker or not getting the sneaker, then just keep your raffle in the Adidas app. But if you want to like try to get the shoe for sure, but you might cop 2 pairs, I would just go to Yeezy Supply. Now, I haven't really had a very good experience with Yeezy Supply. I have never copped a single sneaker from Yeezy Supply, because every single time I get the shoe in the cart, it just disappears, and then we don't get it. So basically, with Yeezy Supply, when you have to go there the release date, and for some reason, this last Yeezy that released, the Sulfur, it had a countdown, so I don't know if they're going to be doing that for every single other Yeezy, like from now on, but if there is, then that will tell you exactly the time that you need to be up to get into the waiting room. And so basically the waiting room is, so they put everyone in the waiting room, and then they just randomly have people, like, give them access to the shoe, and multiple people use like 3 to 5 browsers, but I've seen people get banned using that, so I would suggest only doing like 1 or 2, or maybe some on other devices. That would be your best bet. And so if you do cop it on Yeezy Supply, you can always cancel your Adidas raffle, so that's something that's actually very convenient. So you basically have like 2 chances of getting this, and if you don't get it on the first chance, then you just have to wait for the raffle and just hope you get the shoe. Now, I know I've already made a video on the actual Yeezy Zyon, but I just want to go over the shoe again. So basically people are calling it like the Yeezy V2 Turtle Dove. In my opinion, I don't know. I mean, it's an okay sneaker. I feel like the resale value could shoot up like a year from now, but definitely not right away. Now, they are doing a different stitching. I don't really know why, but I personally don't like it. And I don't think it has a reflective stripe, because I think they're about done with the reflective stripes right now. I hope they do some more like all reflective Yeezys. That's definitely a lot better than the reflective stripe, in my opinion. But yeah, overall, I mean, most people like this sneaker. I just don't. I like a lot of different colors. But tell me in the comments below if you're gonna try to cop this pair, and tell me if this video was helpful. And again, remember to sign up for my sneaker giveaway. My next video will probably be revealing the actual sneaker, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. And let's try to get 15 likes on this video. I know that's a very low goal, but I'm just trying to make sure that we can do that, so everyone like it up. But as always, thank you guys for watching.